In today's activity, I will tell you about layers of atmosphere. We have to know what is atmosphere. So children, what is atmosphere? Atmosphere is the layer of air that surrounds the earth. Atmosphere एक air की layer है जो कि earth को घेरे हुए है. So it contains 78% of nitrogen and 21% of oxygen and 1% only other gases. So it has different layers. There are 5 layers of atmosphere. Now I will tell you about the layer of atmosphere. So atmosphere is troposphere. Second layer of atmosphere is stratosphere. Third, mesosphere. Fourth, thermosphere and or ionosphere. And fifth one is exosphere. So now I will tell you about in detail. There are 5 different layers of atmosphere, starting on the ground and stretch up all the way up in the space. Okay? And the first layer of air is troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exospheres. The troposphere. What is troposphere? This is the first layer of atmosphere, the one we all live in, जिसमें हम सभी रहते हैं. It extends from Earth surface to about 12.5 miles in the sky. ठीक है? Water is from all weather found in this layer. जितना भी weather phenomena है वो सब इस layer में ही होता है. ठीक है? And hot air balloon fly in this layer. और जो hot air balloon होते हैं वो भी इसी layer में fly करते हैं. The next layer of atmosphere is stratosphere. The layer, this is second layer of atmosphere. It extends. Tropopause means the uppermost layer of troposphere. That is called tropopause. तो tropopause से लेकर ये 31 mile up in the space. It contains about 20% of earth gases. इसमें 20% of gases पाई जाती हैं. And the ozone layer is found in this layer. Ozone layer भी इसी layer में पाई जाती है. And which protects us from harmful rays from the sun. The topmost part of this layer is hottest. इसका जो topmost part है वो hottest है because of ozone layer generate a lot of heat. And aeroplane fly, jet, aircraft fly in this layer. And the next layer of atmosphere is mesosphere. The layer is called mesosphere. It extends from stratosphere to approximately 58 miles high. This is coldest layer of atmosphere, about minus 130 degree Fahrenheit near the top. Next one is thermosphere. This is the fourth layer of atmosphere. The layer above the mesosphere is called thermosphere. It expands about almost 300 miles and it is very hot. ये बहुत hot है. The temperature can reach up almost 5000 degree Fahrenheit because of solar radiation. यहाँ पर ओजोन लेयर न होने की वजह से, कोई एटमॉस्फेयर न होने की वजह से यहाँ पर जो है सोलर रेडिएशन की वजह से बहुत ये लेयर हॉट है. दिस इज द हॉटेस्ट लेयर ऑफ एटमॉस्फेयर. एंड द लास्ट लेयर ऑफ एटमॉस्फेयर इज exosphere. It is the layer of atmosphere and it starts from thermosphere, but it doesn't really have a short band. ये कोई इसका कोई short band नहीं है कि इसका कि ये थोड़ी दूर तक हो. ये पूरे स्पेस तक ये जो है exosphere layer ही मानी जाती है. And the In this layer, temperature varies between day and night, and at the night it becomes freezing cold, and in the daytime it can be very hot. The 5 different layers of atmosphere.